This is the Remington 700, made by J. Shamrow. Yours truly. Nice little stock. I have a monopod for it, but I don't like using it. It's not that great. It's bolt action, so it's spring powered. That's how it looks overall. Those are my targets I'm going to be shooting. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to set up the other one. Those are my two targets for today. Nice tactical wheel. Nice body. Oh, here's how it looks on the other side. Whatever. Show you the nice scope. One of the best scopes I've ever seen myself. Sorry to brag, but I've got to say it. I've seen better cardboard scopes, but not too many good paper scopes out there. That's how I aim at my targets. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Kinda accurate. Just gotta aim a little higher than usual. Like right there, and then you'll hit like right there. In case you wanna know, I used tape and then just drew with a Sharpie right here. Makes a nice clear line instead of going through the hassle of making like a paper strip or some crap. It has a nice focus knob. A dials, the mag will not come out. Secure. It's nice and secure right here. So you do this. Get out, mag. Huh. Whoops. My dad just passed by. Knocked it over. That's really great. These are the rounds I'll be using. Nice tubular rounds. They work best for me in my opinion. For the whole bolt action working mag thing and all that. So I'm going to just load them up like this. Ow. There we go. I'll show a tutorial on this definitely if you ask me for it. I'll be glad to. Hold on, this is getting all messed up. I'll get on this side so I can show you the shooting. Perfect reload, man. Wait, did you catch that? Alright. Sorry, jam. Slight jam. That was a dud. Hopefully I'll get this one. I never get the last one. I hate when it jams like this. Right. That was kind of close. The last bullet always freaking jams. Come here, you little bastard. Wait a minute. Yep, I did forget to show you this. It has a laser also. Well, don't tell me this thing is dying yet. It's kind of dying, so it's hard to use it. So I'm gonna just use the scope for now. Oh, that was close. Alright. I'm done. It'll be kind of a pain to do like this whole gun all over again. So if you guys want a tutorial on this gun, it'll have to be at least like 10 or 15 people telling me they really want a tutorial on this. Because I'm glad to help people, but I'm not gonna just make a video for no reason. So like I need a reason to make a tutorial, because then I'm just wasting my time. So either 10 people requesting it, or I need to at least get like a few more subscribers, and then I'll start posting tutorials and all that. Alright, check out my vids, subscribe, and rate, and comment. Don't forget to comment. I like comments. So comment over... Damn. There, I think it is. I don't want to make this an epic fail, because some people say over there, but it's actually over there, I think. Is it? Whatever. I think it is. Yeah, it's over there. That's the description. My bad. Oh, what is wrong with me? Comments down there. Read the description over there. Title up there. Done. And to the top right of the description box, subscribe if you want. Peace.